Hello my acquaintances, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this very simple Mabel look with the two buns, the makeup with the little orange circles there, and the apron. That's it. So if you want to know how I styled the wig slightly, did the makeup, then go ahead. Here it is. Alright, so Mabel doesn't really wear makeup like the other two. Like Sable has like a copper eye going on, and Mabel has like a purple moment. So this is up to interpretation. But she does. Alright, I don't have a green gingham apron like she has. But if you like an apron, I do commission them. And they're adjustable. So you can. My commissions are open again! Woo! Orange shade in the Pac-Man blush palette. So I'm gonna go in with that. Brush. Ew, it looks like it has dust in it. And I'm just gonna go in big circles. So I'm gonna go in with the orange eyeshadow. I don't know if I really want this bright orange. I love this orange, but I'm gonna go in with a orange from the Vivacious palette. Use code here or my link in the description. Save a little bit of 5% off, possibly. While, dang, we're sponsored today. Crease brush, and I'm taking the shade Player. No, I'm gonna take the shade Simmer in this, and just do big circles on my cheeks. This will be easier to see once we put on the wig. So I'm gonna leave it at that for right now. Sorry I look like Junie Cortez in the first Spy Kids movie. Just don't think about it. Black hole in the Intergalactic palette. Also use my code and link. Ooh. And then the other prominent thing she has is her eyebrows. I'm just going to use my eyebrow gel for this because her eyebrows are like kind of a brownish black, and I have my eyebrows on. And I'm going to go in with a nude lipstick because she doesn't really like have any visible mouth. And this is like the closest color to just their like skin tone that I have. This is Nudie Patootie by Wet n Wild. I'm not affiliated with Wet n Wild. I am affiliated with this brand. We just put it on, no special shape or anything. And if you really are feeling it, you can do like a blue look, like a navy blue look, or a black look, or even a nude look, but I'm pretty alright with this. Take wig cap. Try and not wipe off all our makeup with it. Usually I'll put on the wig cap before I do the makeup, but this was so simple that it doesn't really matter. I only do that if I'm doing like a full face kind of thing. Just pull it up. Make sure your earring's not caught in.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night, I can feel my leg and my arm, even my fingers. The body I've lost. The comrades I've lost won't stop hurting. It's like they're all still there.
This is my Yohai wig. I've never put it on my head yet. Alright, and then I'm gonna put it behind my ears like that. And put most of it behind my head. And then, since she has the ears, I have the one bun that came with this that I also had to perform a little bit of surgery on because it didn't come with a clip. I'm going to put one bun up here. Then we can style another bun right into it. So I'm going to take the brush. It's, it doesn't need much brushing because, like I said, I haven't worn it yet. And then just take a hair tie, take the section, get kind of a thick section because just to match this. And we're gonna tie it up. And we're gonna take this part, twist it up, and then just wrap it around. Can't really see what I'm doing. It's okay. And then take a bobby pin and just pin it into place. She also has kind of like a widow's peak, so you can go like this a little bit. That's a look.